This video will take you through how to create a number plate for your toy car assembly, and also how to attach it onto your assembly. We'll start by creating a new part, ensuring that we select metric and then select our standard millimeter part and create. Again, going to start with creating our sketch onto our horizontal plane, and the rectangle that we are going to draw and dimension will be 30 millimeters by 6 millimeters. Finish the sketch, extrude, and this time we're only going to extrude it through 2 millimeters and OK. So that gives us our basic shape. Now we want to see about adding some letters onto our model. So we're going to sketch on our top surface, select our text, and our size of the text we want to add in is going to be 4 millimeters, and we'll put in the letters that we want. You can decide your own one, your own personalised number plate, and OK it. If we're not too happy with the position and we try and move it at this stage, you'll see you can't do it because it's still looking to put in more text. So what we need to do is come out of the text command by simply right clicking and OK. Now we're in a position to move the text to a place where we're happy with it, and we will finish the sketch. Now this might look okay at the moment, but the letters are simply lying on the surface. They're not being engraved or embossed. So I would like to now emboss our letters. I would like to engrave them in, and the distance we're going to engrave in 0.1 millimeters and OK. So now you can see the letters look like they have been engraved in. I'm going to change the colour of my number plate, and I'm simply going to go to yellow. Again, you can make your own choice here. But if we look at this front on, you'll see that it's actually very hard to see the letters. So we need to really change our letters here. So if I hover over them, right click, go into properties, I can change these, and I'm simply going to go with black. Right click into properties, and I'll do this for each of my letters. And we can go on and change it all the way through. Once you've done that, that is your number plate finished, and we're ready now to start thinking about how we attach this onto our toy truck. So save this as number plate. Then what you need to do is open up your assembly, and I'll show you how we will then attach our number plate to our model. You'll see I've got the number plate in the front sorted, but I haven't done the one in the back, so I will show you that. But you'll see we've used two flush constraints and a mate. So we need to start by placing our component. So there's a number plate, open, and bring that in. Right click, OK. The first thing we want is to get this part stuck to the back here. So we constrain. We're going to mate this surface with this surface and apply. So that's now on there, but it will still be in a position to move. The next constraint I want to use is going to be flush, and I would like this side flush with this side, but I'm going to offset it by a value. Now the value will either be 10 or -10. This is very much dependent on which surface you pick first, and apply. So that's added 2 in. Still can slide up and down, so I'm going to look into the underside here. Again, onto my constraint, I'm going to work with my flush. I'm on the underside, flush with this one, but again I can offset it through 10 and apply. And that now gives me my number plate on both the back and the front. Obviously you've just seen how to put it on the back, but you'll follow through exactly the same process to add your number plate to the front. Okay, thank you.